Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday. This red line is what we said should not be breached for Nifty's bearish momentum on a daily time frame to be sustained. But as you can see, it was breached. So the bearish momentum is for the time being invalidated on a daily time frame. So as usual, let's just delete all the lines we drew yesterday and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias is bullish even after this great fall, because this low, that's the low created in August, has still been protected and not tested. So um, what is that low? Let's give it a number. So I take a line. That's 24337.5. That's a low to watch out for, to be protected, for the bullish bias to be sustained. Important sellers are at previous ATH. That's from where this ferocious selling started, and I will once again mark previous swing high as the important support level. So yesterday I had made a mistake of saying that today was the last trading day of the month. It's not today, it's tomorrow. So that's what I was just checking here. It is tomorrow. I mean, today. When I'm recording this on the 29th for the 30th. So the 30th, you'll be watching this on the 30th. So for you guys, today would be the last trading day of the month. If this candle manages to close above this level, it's a huge win for the bulls. Even a point above this level would be a huge win for the bulls. That's 25,669. Going over to the weekly time frame. A weekly time frame, I'm still not sure of what is the bias, because there has not been a swing high that was sold into. So I'm waiting for a lower high to see what is the how the bears behave at a swing high. For the time being, the support level that was respected was the midpoint of this order block. This order block is from where this huge buying started. The midpoint of the order block, of the body of the order block, is the level of interest to me, because that is the mean price action, where the mean price action took place. So as you can see perfectly, it is exactly from this level that the buying has started. Is there any other level I need to look out for? Well, this candle is an important level, but again, that this level has already been marked. So let's move on to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, so you can see this flat top has been invalidated. So that should act as a good support now. Well, it's not exactly a flat top. There's a small wick, but still. So you can see there's a perfect close above it. So if there's a gap up, then this level could be tested tomorrow, retested tomorrow. And the bias is bullish. This low. Then there is this low, and then this is still not a low, but this low and a higher low. Yesterday we had discussed this scenario, which is a sort of an interesting scenario where where you could either call it bullish or bearish, but I had labeled it bullish, and then rightly so, Nifty has turned bullish. It has actually taken out this level. So the analysis is very interesting. If you haven't watched it, you should actually go and watch it from yesterday's pre-market analysis. These kind of scenarios don't come up daily. Going over to the um, there's also I'll just mark out this one more level before I go to the next time frame. There is a fair value gap here, and that has been tested today. So let's see what happens next. There are important levels that come up, the most important being 88 here. So on a daily, I don't want to mark up any other levels. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty has become bullish because this low and there is another low here. So it was not sure previously. Let me just correct it to bullish. I say bullish. Now, are there any important levels to watch out for? Nothing much. Going over to the 1-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame. So this was a low. This was that low was taken out here, and then there's no other lows created. The high was also taken out. So I would just say not sure. I hope there's no doubt on why I said not sure. There's no lower higher lows created, and there's no lower highs created. That's the only reason I said that. Now let's wait for tomorrow and see how the pre-budget close turns out. Now, as you all know, Sunday is also trading day, so let's see what happens. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. Whatever I show here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.